welcome back. Now South Goa is going to have its own electronic music dance festival. 4-day long festival will start on 2nd of May and many international DJs along with Bands of Goa are lined up to perform. Mickky Pacheco's Bresources company has organized this event.
Goa-based company Bresources Event Management on Saturday announced to organize a music festival, first of its kind in South Goa at Betarbati Beach starting from 2nd of May. In the 4-day long event, international DJs like DJ Max, DJ Diamond, Hard Rock Sofa and Tatwa Kundalini will perform with an aim to promote Bands of Goa. Organizers have roped in local bands like Total Waves, A26 and ZA.
We've got a lineup of international DJs coming in from America, UK and Argentina. The highlight of this event is the Hard Rock Sofa, which is performing in India for the very first time. And the other DJs are DJ Max, DJ Diamond, DJ Terry Miko, DJ Nash, K Mikado, DJ Ryan Beck, Tatwa Kundalini, and we've also got bands playing for us like the Tidal Waves, A26, Alcatraz.
Event tickets has been capped 700 rupees for 1 day and 2000 rupees for full event. Organizers are hopeful that at the end of the tourist season schedule of this event will pull more crowd as flight tickets and hotel rooms are available at low price.
The scenario for economical pricing tourists is very high and most international tourists cannot afford to come to Goa during the months of December, Jan, Feb. And even if you go down to hotels today, you will see a lot of international tourist arrivals still taking place at this fag end of the season.
With Vijay Chetan Gavas, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
If we ensure that our next generation knows what we were and the real Goa, then that will be a real tribute to late Mathani Sildana. These were the awakening of Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar at the book release function of Mathani the Legend, written by Prajal Sakhardande and Santosh Sawant. Legendary pop star Remo's flute enthralled the audience.
गोंयांत ही परिस्थिती येवपाची आनीक 10 वर्सां गोंयकारांक कुटुंब वाडले की भावाक दुसरो जागो फ्लॅट घेतलो जर तूं जाल्यार परवडचो ना अशी परिस्थिती जावपाक लागली जागो घेतलो जाल्यार परवडचें ना अशी परिस्थिती म्हाका दिसता these are the indicators. Some of them are inevitable, I agree with passage of time and modern technology, but I think if we can save the basics of what we were, understand what we are and ensure that our next generation knows the real Goa, that will be a tribute to Mathani and this book.
Saturday was the last day of withdrawal of nominations for the upcoming municipal elections to be held for Ponda and Sakri municipalities. 11 out of 71 nominations were withdrawn in Ponda and 28 nominations out of 81 applications were withdrawn in Sakri. The municipal elections are scheduled on 12th of May.
Saturday was the last day for withdrawal of nomination forms. In Ponda, 11 candidates withdrew from the election out of 71 candidates. The Ponda municipality will go for elections in 14 wards. On the other side, 81 candidates had filed their nominations for the Sakli municipal election. 28 candidates withdrew their nominations on Saturday. The elections would be held for 11 wards of Sakli. In all, 53 candidates will contest the election. The municipal elections are scheduled on 12th May and the counting of the votes would be on 13th May.
Today we have received 28 applications for withdrawal. So therefore, the candidates which are now remaining are 53. Now we are in a process of allotting symbols. I have also kept a meeting of the candidates to brief them about the general code of conduct, what are the do's and don'ts, and to explain them how they should conduct the various processes of election. For 11 wards of Sakri municipality, there are 53 candidates now, and the total voters are 7,148 of Sakri municipality.
Reporters Vivek Prabhu and Uday Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.